All right, so here we have the iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit. This is just going to be a quick unboxing. This video is being recorded on my 2018 iPad Pro 11-inch. It won't be edited or anything. It'll just be a quick unboxing just to see what comes in there. I actually just received this today, and I'll be doing a couple repairs with it over the next couple of weeks, and then I'll get back in, see how it works, see what parts are good, see if any of the bits drip out or anything, but that'll be in the days to come. So let's get into it. So it came sealed on the top and bottom in the retail packaging. I was gonna go with the refurbished one, but paid the extra $5 just to grab the brand new one. So outer sleeve shows you everything that comes in there. On the inside, okay, it looks like it just pops open. And we have our iFixit toolkit. Or Pro Tech toolkit. So it comes in this nice little pouch like this. Let's get this crap out of the way. Let's put this away. Alrighty, so it looks like she opens up like this. It rolls out. Pretty nice material I can see here on the outside. So we have our standard bit driver here. All the proper bits. Nothing seems to be missing. Got a pretty nice screwdriver handle here, bit holder. Okay. Everything looks pretty premium, feels pretty good. Nothing seems to be missing. All the bits are here. You got a little extension flex bit here. Up top, we got our Jimmy tool. Getting screens open, prying, feels pretty good. Pretty sturdy. Metal pry tool. Got a couple of plastic tools, I guess, for fastening clips. Got a pair of EDS safe blunt tip pliers with like a grip on there. Got the reverse pliers in here as well too. Got a nice pair of these angle pointed tip pliers. Also EDS safe, static safe. Got a nice section here with roughly 6 guitar picks. Pretty good quality. They feel, they are consumable, but they feel pretty good. Put those back later. We also have in here some of these pry tools. I guess they're like plastic pry tools. I don't know if you could see here, but it does say they are designed to break before your device does, which is pretty nice. And we also have our suction cup in here for removing screens. Nice little handle on it. Feels pretty good, pretty firm. And then up top, up here, we have our anti-static strap. So this is the strap I'll be using to ground myself, when I'm working on anything. As you can see, the place is pretty much carpeted, so this will come in handy for the work area. Still waiting on the anti-static mat to come in as well too. I did grab one of those at the same time. But yeah, this is just a quick little unboxing. It's pretty much everything that comes inside. There's also a magnetic mat, I believe, under here. So the case is magnetic. A little spot on the top to put screws if you need help organizing. We also have this magnetic mat that's under here. So yeah, it is somewhat magnetic, I guess, just to hold screws, various things like that in place. Just, pretty good. Overall, it looks like, it's a really good deal. I did pick this up at the retail price of $59.99. And I guess in a couple of coming weeks, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Thanks for watching.